What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Samsung is planning to introduce a new Galaxy Fold 2, a new foldable device. After a successful start with the Galaxy Fold, Samsung quickly realized that the device has a potential, and soon after getting the Fold launched, they have launched a smaller foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip, with a new design and a punch hole and ultra thin glass. Now Samsung is going to announce a new foldable device, the Galaxy Fold 2, in upcoming days. New leaks regarding the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2 has emerged, and according to the supply chain resource Ross Young on his Twitter account shares some specification of the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2. Internal length for the Galaxy Fold 2 is champ, and it is coming with a 7.6 inch of AMOLED screen with 2316 by 1689 upper resolution. It is also coming with a 372 ppi density and can support 120 Hz of a refresh rate, as we have already seen that refresh rate in the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Also on the front, we will see for the first time a new and improved ultra thin glass, which will have more harder glass than the Galaxy Z Flip. According to HDA developer, upcoming Galaxy Fold 2 will include a punch hole camera cutout, this time similar to the Galaxy Z Flip, which we have already seen. Also, one of the top specs which is arriving in the Galaxy Fold 2 is going to be the S Pen inside the Galaxy Fold 2, and that is only being reality if Samsung top sheet is stronger. HDA also shared the cover front screen of the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2, and it is now an upgrade from the previous generation. Now that the display is coming with a 6.23 inch of AMOLED display with a resolution of 2267 by 819 pixel, and that the screen will also stick with the 60 Hz of a refresh rate. Also, it is coming with the same punch hole camera cutout present on the top center of the device. So the other specification in terms of cameras, we might see a S20 Plus series like camera inside the Galaxy Fold 2. We could see a 12 megapixel of a main camera sensor accompanied by a telephoto ultra wide and a time of flight sensor. While the front camera specs are not clear whether we see a 10 megapixel or a 40 megapixel of a sensor inside. Processor wise, we might see a Snapdragon 865 or the unnamed announced Snapdragon 865 Plus processor inside that device based on the Qualcomm team announced later this year. There will be a separate 5G model along with the 4G model of Galaxy Fold 2. Battery wise, we might see a 4000 or up to 5000 mAh of battery capacity inside, and that battery capacity may be divided in two different portions of two different sides of Galaxy Fold 2. Along with the massive battery, we also see a 45 or 25 watt of fast charging support inside the Galaxy Fold 2. We may see reverse wireless charging inside the Galaxy Fold 2 or not. It's just an opinion from different sources, and according to them, we might see a 5 watt or 9 watt of reverse wireless charging inside that device. HDA report mentioned that the 512GB or 256GB of internal storage might be seen in that device. So guys, don't take these leaks as permanent, since it is an earlier stage of that particular device and we may see some changes in up till the launch date. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.